So when you first log in, you're going to see this page here on the dashboard. You can immediately set up your 2FA, or you can do this later. And you can also immediately do your KYC, or you can do it later. So to do KYC, just come over to the little profile icon. It'll bring you to this page. Click on KYC verification. I think it's good to get it out of the way because this way you'll be able to get paid once you're approved. And that's all you need to do. So again, you don't need to do that immediately. You can do it after you fund if you'd like. Okay, so let's go back to the back office. This is the main dashboard. The very first thing you're going to want to do is click on Fund Account. So you're going to need your license and then the capital they'll use to trade with. You can either deposit those funds separately or you can do it all in one go. I deposited separately because I did my license in TRC20 and then I added my capital for the investment in BTC. So for instance, I did the advanced license, which is $199, and that's a yearly license. You only pay that once per year. If you do the advanced license, then you're required to put in $2,499 in capital. So if you want to do it all at once, you would just enter that amount here. So that total, this is just an example of $199 for the license and $24.99 for the capital would be $26.98. And of course, you can add a couple dollars more if you want to. If you're using TRC20, you don't necessarily need to do that. If you're using Bitcoin, they require you to add an additional $5 just to cover any price fluctuation. So then you would click on Continue. Then what you do is select the wallet you're going to send from. Again, if it's Bitcoin, it'll tell you to add an additional $5. If you're doing TRC20, then it's going to tell you exactly how much that you need here, and you just click on Continue. Then you'll click on Submit. Now, I'm not going to submit it because I don't want to start an order, but what it'll have you do is it will give you immediately, it will give you the wallet address to send to and the exact amount to send. So you want to make sure you copy and paste the exact amount, not just what you put in here. Okay, then you go to your wallet, you'll send it. You can keep the page open if you want. It'll say waiting. And then if it's TRC20, it will be pretty quick and you can just refresh your page and you'll see it's confirmed. Then you'll click where it says Purchase License, or you can come back to the back office page and click on Purchase License. Here you're going to choose your license and you can see what the prices are. I did the advanced license, and then you choose your wallet. Now your funds will be, once they're available, will be in the ZDAF wallet. You'll click there and you'll click on Process, and then your license will have been purchased. But now what you'll need to do is allocate the capital to that particular bot. And the way to do that is you'll go to My License Holdings, and you'll see that the bot you purchased will be here. You'll click on Activate Bot. You'll choose the ZDAF wallet, and then it should already be set to Advanced Pack because that is the license that you purchased. For instance, depending on which license you purchased, that's what's going to show up here. Then you can see for the advanced pack, the minimum deposit is $24.99. You'll enter that amount here. You'll already have funded, so that amount will be available, and you'll click Process, and that's it. The funds start to accrue pretty quickly. So I only did this an hour ago maybe, and there's like 96 cents in there. I mean, not a lot, but you can see it's coming in. It's coming in. So that's really, really nice. So that's how to do it. That's how to get set up today.